Hi friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. Today's video is a DIY tutorial on how I made these adorable farmhouse books from items from the Dollar Tree, so stay tuned. From the Dollar Tree, you're going to grab 3 similar sized books. You can do hardcover or softcover, some paint, some stamps, and an ink pen. Step 1 is to take your soft cover books and remove the outer cover. You're going to leave the spine intact and you're going to want to leave all the pages intact. So just remove that outside piece of the book. If you've got hardcover books, just remove the sleeve on the outside. So first, with the soft cover books, I took my Waverly chalk paint and painted all of the spines of the books as well as the top of the books, just so in case you were looking from the top down, it had kind of a white vintage look. And then if you're doing hardcover books, you're going to do the same thing. Make sure that you cover all the edges as well as the spine clearly. That one's going to have an indented spine, so I used a couple different layers of paint to kind of cover up those grooves and make it more flat. And then the only thing you're going to want to do on here that you don't have to do for the soft covers is open up the book and do the inside kind of corners so that doesn't stick out. Once everything's dry, you're going to grab your stamps and your ink pad. I got my stamps from Michael's. They were just a couple dollars if you use the coupons that they always have available. And then I went ahead and stamped the words on. I made 2 sets, and both times I made sure to start from the outside, from the right, and work my way in. So here you can see I'm doing the word sweet backwards, and that just made sure that everything was right justified the way I wanted to. My second set, I did This Is Us because I love that show. Then once everything's stamped and ready to go, you put your stack back together and wrap it just like you would a Christmas package or just a regular package around one way, and then flip it around the other way and wrap it a few times. This is up to you how thick you want it, just enough to keep it held together. Then I went ahead and tied a double knot so everything stayed together. And then I grabbed some of this greenery that came just from the Target dollar spot. I really like to just cut off lamb's ear leaves from other things that I get for cheap. So I cut those off, hot glued them on, and then tied around with the jute twine so it looked like it was tied onto the books. I did the same thing with the This Is Us set, and one is going to be a great addition to my mantle, and the other one is already on my coffee table. I absolutely love how these turned out. I've been literally obsessing over these all over Instagram, and I knew there was a way that I could DIY it, and I wanted to share it with you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love Dollar Tree DIYs, and also hit subscribe down below because I've got a lot more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!